sweater. I'm gonna put it in there.
Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments, the library doors in front of you will be opening. Please stand back from the doors as they will be opening. Thank you.
Welcome one and all to the Hollywood Tower Hotel, and our sincerest apologies for your brief detention here in the hotel library. We're still putting the final touches in your accommodations at this time. So do feel free to browse around while you're waiting. I promise I'll let you know just as soon as your rooms are ready.
Thank you, sir.
I assure you the pleasure is all ours.
Sounds like people are screaming because of how good it is.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. On an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Here's the hotel's ready for you. And rest assured, we intend to put you and your comfort above everything else.
I don't know if I believe that. Well, I believe it. Put one stone.
Just think of it as a really big haunted mansion.
You go to the far one or the new one? No, there's just
Welcome everyone to the Hollywood Tower Hotel. For your safety, seatbelts are going on the right and left and right only. Please be sure to hold your belongings. I'll be calling.
You're the passengers of a luxury common elevator about to ascend into your very own house. To the Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you.
Oh, okay.
You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of your imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
You're right, not holding on to the handle.
A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning, something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Smooth, right?